Namaste. Welcome everyone to my channel Yoga with Sakshi. Today is day 19 of Power Yoga series. Today's practice is going to be a combination of strength and flexibility. In some parts you might get tired, but in some parts you will feel definitely relaxed. So it's a mix of both. So let's roll out our mats and let's get started. Today we are going to start with Sukhasana. Arms up. Look up and stay. Lift up the sides. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, center. Drop the one arm down. Now keeping your both hips on the mat, you're going to stretch to the side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up. Exhale, other side. 8, 7, both the hips on the mat. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up. Interlock your fingers. Now you can contract your back. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale, go with the chest back. Inhale up, extend the back. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Last one. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now we're going to turn to the side, come to downward dog. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Feet together and knees together. Take your right leg up. Now today we're going to open the hips, bend your knees. We're going to make the circles out to in. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, and up. Change now, out to it. 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, reverse it, 5, and in. Take your leg forward in Rajkapotasana. Take your back leg back, up, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go forward. 8, 7, 6, 5. Inhale up. Take your legs back. Come to plank chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet together. Take your left leg up. Open the hip. Bend the knee. You're gonna go in, 2, out. 1. In, 2, out. 2. In, 2, out. 3, 4, and 5. Now out to in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Get your legs forward in Rajkapotasana. Pigeon pose. Out, back straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go forward. Breathe here. Feel that nice gentle stretch. Take your arms back. Take your legs back. You're going to come forward, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Now you're going to bring your feet together again. Bring your right leg outside of your right arm. Hanuman Dandasana. Go down, up, back. Left out, down, up, back. 3, down, up, back. 4, down, up, back. 5, down, up, back. 6, down, up, back. 7, down, up, back. 8, down, up, back. 2 more. 9, down, up, back. Last one. Down, up, and back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Before we rest, let's come to a plank. 8, 7, keep breathing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Adho Mukha Virasana. Rest. Stay there now. This is the right position for your downward dog. So come directly from here to downward dog. Feet together. Bring your right leg front. From here, twist to Skandasana. Out. Now you can use your arms for a little push to come up. Use your arm to come down. 1. Use your arm a little push. Down. 2. Use your arm up. Down. 3. Up. Down. 4. Up. Down. 5. Up. Down. 6. Keep breathing. Up. Down. 7. Up. Down. 8. Up. And 9. Last one. Down from there. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Right leg front. Feet in V position. Back foot on your toes. Go forward. Like a crab. 8. Now this is a more deeper stretch. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. Knees up. 2. And 1. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Keep your back knee up while going forward. It's difficult, but it gives you that deeper stretch. Go forward. Forward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Again, Adho Mukha Virasana, resting. roll up. Come to your Setu Bandhasana. Body down, arms down. Shoulders back, chest open. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Keep breathing. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 4 more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 2 more. Breathe. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Hold there. 8, 7. If you can interlock your fingers, then interlock. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale down. Hug your knees in. And just rock back and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now come up. Now if you can, try not to use your arms and then using your core to rock back and front. 1. But not really coming up completely now. 2, 3. Just activating the core. 4, 5. Breathe. 6. Chest up. 7 now. Hold. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Legs back. Jump. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump front. Start rolling. 1, 2. Don't hold the knees. 3, 4, 5. Arms back. Hold. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Keep breathing. 2, 1. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump front. Roll again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and arms up. Hold. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Adho Mukha Virasana. Rest again. Breathe. And up. Like I said, today we are going to combine with strength and flexibility. So we are going to go for this. Now you're going to keep your all 3 edge in one line, which is your heel, hip and hip. Your hip should be facing forward, not going forward or back. Just be in line, but keep pushing your hip front. Now you're going to keep your one arm in support. Flex your feet. Your toes should be facing forward. And you're going to go 1, down, 2, down, 3. You should feel it in the glutes. Out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. 5. Inhale up. 6. Inhale up. 7. Inhale up. 8. Up. 9. Hold. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Now reach with your arm up. 1. Back. 2. Back. 3. 4. Keep breathing. 5. 6. 7. 8. Hold. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Now bend the knee and stretch. 8. Keep breathing. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Now bring your body front. Hip square. Hold the ankles and stretch. Come up. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Bend the knee. Go for Supta Rajkapot so you can keep it on the elbow preferably, otherwise wrist is good. And stay. 5. Deeper glute stretch. 4. 3. Keep breathing. 2. And 1. Release the leg. Hold the leg up. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Now try and come up. Hold. 8. 7. 6. 5. Now the height should increase. 4. 3. 2. Arms up. Lengthen the back. Exhale down. Roll up. Let's try the other side. Turn around. Line up. You're maintaining your entire body in one line. Reach, flex your feet. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Up. Exhale down. Up. Exhale down. Up. Exhale down. Up. And stay. 8. 7. Breathe. 6. 5. Hip forward. 4. 3. Turn inward. 2. And 1. Arms out and up. 1. Back. 2. Back. 3. 4. 5. You should feel in the glutes. 6. 7. 8. Hold. Stay. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And down. Bend the knee. Hold. Stretch. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Turn around. Come center. Hold. Come up. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Bend the knee. Rajkapotasana. To the elbow or to the wrist, your choice. Your knee and your heel should be in one line. Stretch. 8. 7. 6. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Legs stretch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up. 8, 7, 6. Knees straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and down. Arms up. Exhale down. Stay there. Roll up. Chaturanga. Urdhmukha. Adho-mukha. Rest in Adho Mukha Virasana. Breathe. Roll up. We're going to go for a quick quad stretch. So you can open the legs. Supta Virasana. Out. Open the chest. First, we're going to go halfway. We have practiced this before. And drop the neck down. 5, 4. Your hips should be on the ground. 3, 2, and 1. Now you're going to drop yourself completely down. Arms back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up. Scoop your legs in. Come to Baddha Konasana. Back straight. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up. Knees together. We're going to work on the sides a little bit. So you're going to come on your knees and open your leg. Your foot should be completely grounded. Then inhale, bring your arms up. Today we're going to reach on the opposite side of the leg, down. Keep your one arm on the floor, chest open. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now you're going to just give me a tap. 1, back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, 6. You feel an immense stretch. 7 and 8. 3, 3, 2, and 1. Down. Come to Malasana. Out. Hold. 7. Breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So if you've stretched to that side, you're going to twist it. So keeping your other arm down and twist. 3, 2, and 1. Down. Come on your knees. Again. Feet together. Now we're going to go with the other leg. Out. Feet pointed. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to the side. Get your arms down. Open the chest. First, find your balance here. Once you find it, then we're gonna go 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, 6, keep breathing, 7, 8, 3, 2, 1, and up. Come down, come to Malasana again. Down, 8, open the hips, 7, 6, 5, 4, keep breathing, 3, 2, and 1. Drop the opposite arm down, stretch. And down. Take your arms to the side, back, Chaturanga, Urdhva Adho Mukha. Lie down on your stomach. Breathe. Feet together. Now you're going to take your arms right next to your chest, elbows tucked in. Today we are going to go with full inhalation up. Inhale up. Using your arms, stretch the back, pelvis down. Exhale, elbows in. Inhale up. Feel the triceps with the back too. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Breathe. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 2 more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take your legs back, Chaturanga, Urdhva Adho Mukha. Relax in Child's Pose. Inhale up. Cross your legs and go for twisting. So take your arms to opposite knee. Exhale, twist. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, center. Lie down on your back. Take your arms behind the head. Knees together. Exhale, twist to one side. Inhale, center. Twist to other side. Inhale, center. Release your arms. Release your legs. Relax in Shavasana. Breathe. Try and relax completely on the mat. And just observe the changes in the body after the practice. Scan your body from toes to the crown. Feel each and every change, small and big, in the body and in the muscles. Inhale deeply. observe your stomach going up. Exhale, observe your stomach going down. Feel each and every rhythm of inhalation and exhalation. Mindfully relax all the muscles. Mindfully relax the entire body on the mat. Relax. Relax. And feel that complete relaxation. Stay there for a few more breaths. Bring your awareness back. Gently move your toes and your fingers, feet together. Right arm above your head, left arm onto the belly. Bend your left knee, turn towards the right side. Keeping your eyes closed, come to sitting. Join your palms together and rub your palms. Once you feel the warmth, cup the eyes. Gently massage your face. Release your arms in front of your chest, a gentle smile. Few blinks, open your eyes looking at the palms. Namaste. Thank you all for joining me in this session. I hope you enjoyed today's practice. Keep your consistency up and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day and thank you.